LGBTQ community supports the Olympics in Paris 2024. As the world prepares for the highly anticipated Paris 2024 Olympics, there is an electrifying sense of excitement and anticipation. Athletes from every corner of the globe are ready to showcase their talents, strive for glory, and bring pride to their nations. Amidst this thrilling atmosphere, the LGBTQ community stands out as a powerful and vibrant supporter of the Games. This support not only demonstrates the community's love for sports but also highlights the progress made in inclusivity and acceptance within the sporting world. The LGBTQ community worldwide is eagerly looking forward to the Olympics, celebrating the diversity and unity that the event represents. The Games offer a unique platform where individuals from various backgrounds, cultures, and identities come together, transcending differences and embracing the spirit of competition and camaraderie. For the LGBTQ community, this is more than a celebration of athletic excellence, it is a testament to the ongoing journey towards equality and acceptance. In recent years, the Olympics have seen an increasing number of openly LGBTQ athletes competing at the highest levels. This visibility is crucial as it provides representation and inspiration to young LGBTQ individuals who dream of achieving greatness in sports. The participation of these athletes sends a powerful message that talent and dedication know no bounds and that everyone deserves the opportunity to pursue their dreams, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity. Representation in sports is a powerful tool for change. It challenges stereotypes and breaks down barriers, showing that LGBTQ individuals can excel in any field. The presence of LGBTQ athletes at the Olympics is a beacon of hope for many who may feel marginalized or excluded. It tells them that they too belong in the world of sports and that their identity does not limit their potential. Several trailblazing LGBTQ athletes have made significant contributions to their sports and paved the way for future generations. These athletes have not only excelled in their respective fields, but have also used their platforms to advocate for LGBTQ rights and inclusion. One such athlete is Tom Daley, a British diver who has been an outspoken advocate for LGBTQ rights. Daley, who came out as gay in 2013, has won multiple Olympic medals and has become a role model for many. His openness about his sexuality and his success in diving have inspired countless young LGBTQ individuals to pursue their dreams fearlessly. Another notable athlete is Megan Rapinoe, an American soccer player known for her exceptional skills on the field and her advocacy of it. Rapinoe, who is openly lesbian, has been a vocal supporter of LGBTQ rights, gender equality, and social justice. Her achievements, including winning the FIFA Women's World Cup and Olympic gold, have solidified her as a powerful figure in both sports and activism. These athletes and many others serve as powerful examples of how LGBTQ individuals can excel in sports while advocating for positive change. Their presence at the Olympics sends a clear message that the world of sports is becoming more inclusive and accepting. The Olympics have always been a symbol of unity and global cooperation. They bring together athletes from all over the world, regardless of their nationality, race, or background, to compete on the same stage. This spirit of unity is particularly resonant for the LGBTQ community, which values diversity and inclusivity. The Games provide an opportunity to celebrate the diversity of human experience and the incredible achievements of athletes from different cultures and backgrounds. For the LGBTQ community, the Olympics represent a chance to showcase their talents and be recognized for their abilities rather than their identities. The Olympics also serve as a platform for social change. The visibility of LGBTQ athletes at the Games can help raise awareness about LGBTQ issues and promote acceptance and equality. The global audience that tunes in to watch the Olympics provides a unique opportunity to reach millions of people and spread messages of inclusion and diversity. For example, during the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, Canadian soccer player Quinn made history by becoming the first openly transgender and non-binary athlete to win an Olympic medal. This achievement was a significant milestone for the LGBTQ community and highlighted the importance of representation in sports. Quinn's visibility on the Olympic stage helped to normalize diverse gender identities and sparked important conversations about inclusion in sports. The Olympics can also inspire changes in policies and attitudes towards LGBTQ individuals in different countries. When athletes come out and share their stories, it can challenge stereotypes and prejudices, leading to greater acceptance and support for LGBTQ rights. The global nature of the Olympics ensures that these messages reach a wide audience, potentially influencing social attitudes and policies worldwide. The role of LGBTQ allies. While the visibility of LGBTQ athletes is crucial, the support of allies is equally important. Allies within the sports community play a vital role in creating an inclusive and supportive environment for LGBTQ individuals. Coaches, teammates, and sports organizations that actively promote inclusivity and stand against discrimination can make a significant impact. Many prominent figures in the sports world have used their platforms to advocate for LGBTQ rights and inclusion. These allies have played a crucial role in promoting acceptance and creating a more welcoming environment for LGBTQ athletes. One such ally is Allyson Felix, an American sprinter and the most decorated female track and field athlete in Olympic history. Felix has been a vocal supporter of LGBTQ rights and has used her platform to promote inclusivity and equality. Her advocacy extends beyond the track, as she has also spoken out about issues such as gender equality and maternal health. Another notable ally is tennis legend Billie Jean King, who has been a longtime advocate for LGBTQ rights and gender equality. King, who came out as gay in 1981, has used her influence to promote inclusivity in sports and beyond. She founded the Women's Sports Foundation to advance the lives of women and girls through sports and has been a tireless advocate for equal opportunities for LGBTQ athletes. The support of allies like Felix and King is invaluable in the fight for LGBTQ rights in sports. Their advocacy helps to create a more inclusive environment and ensures that LGBTQ athletes have the support they need to thrive. One of the most anticipated highlights of the Paris 2024 Olympics is the return of the legendary Celine Dion. After many years away from the spotlight, she is making a grand comeback, much to the delight of her millions of fans worldwide. Known for her powerful voice and emotional performances, Celine Dion's presence at the Olympics adds a touch of magic and nostalgia. Her return is not just a musical event, it's a celebration of resilience and passion, qualities that resonate deeply with the LGBTQ community. Celine Dion has long been a beloved figure within the LGBTQ community. Her music, with its themes of love, strength, and perseverance, has touched the hearts of many. Her return to the stage at the Olympics is a moment of celebration for her fans and a reminder of the power of music to bring people together. In addition to Celine Dion, the Olympics will also feature a performance by the iconic Lady Gaga. A longtime advocate for LGBTQ rights, Lady Gaga's music and activism have inspired countless individuals around the world. Her performance at the Olympics is sure to be a spectacular and inclusive celebration, highlighting the strength and unity of the LGBTQ community. With her unique blend of artistry and advocacy, Lady Gaga embodies the spirit of the Games and the values of equality and acceptance. Lady Gaga's influence extends far beyond her music. She has been a fierce advocate for LGBTQ rights and has used her platform to raise awareness about issues such as mental health, anti-bullying, and equality. Her Born This Way Foundation, founded in 2012, focuses on empowering young people and promoting kindness and bravery. Gaga's performance at the Olympics is not just a musical event, it's a statement of solidarity with the LGBTQ community and a celebration of diversity. As the world tunes in to watch these incredible performances and witness the athletic feats of the competitors, the LGBTQ community is sending their love and support to every country and their future champions. The Games are a time for celebration and encouragement, and the community's well wishes extend to athletes of all nations. Whether you're competing in track and field, swimming, gymnastics, or any other sport, the LGBTQ community is behind you, cheering you on every step of the way. The support from the LGBTQ community is truly global, transcending borders and cultural differences. People from all walks of life come together to celebrate the Olympics and show their support for the athletes. This global solidarity is a powerful reminder of the unifying power of sports and the shared human spirit. Behind the collective support of the LGBTQ community are countless personal stories of encouragement and inspiration. These stories reflect the diverse backgrounds and experiences of LGBTQ individuals and highlight the impact of the Olympics on their lives. For many LGBTQ individuals, the Olympics represent a source of hope and inspiration. Watching openly LGBTQ athletes compete at the highest level can be a transformative experience, providing role models and showing that it is possible to achieve greatness while being true to oneself. One such story is that of Carlos, a young gay man from Brazil who grew up facing discrimination and bullying. As a child, Carlos loved sports but often felt excluded because of his sexuality. Watching the Olympics and seeing athletes like Tom Daley and Megan Rapinoe excel in their sports gave him the courage to pursue his own athletic dreams. Carlos is now an aspiring swimmer, training hard to one day compete at the national level. Another story is that of Priya, a transgender woman from India who struggled with acceptance and self-identity. Sports became a refuge for Priya and she found solace in running. The visibility of transgender athletes like Quinn at the Olympics inspired Priya to embrace her true self and pursue her passion for athletics. Today, Priya is an advocate for transgender rights in sports and hopes to see more inclusive policies in her country. These personal stories are a testament to the transformative power of representation and support. The Olympics provide a platform where these stories can be shared and celebrated, inspiring others to pursue their dreams and be proud of their identities. While the progress made in LGBTQ representation and support in sports is significant, there are still challenges to overcome. Discrimination and prejudice continue to affect LGBTQ athletes, and there is a need for ongoing efforts to create a more inclusive and supportive environment. Discrimination in sports can take many forms, from overt acts of harassment to subtle biases that affect opportunities and treatment. LGBTQ athletes may face challenges such as exclusion from teams, lack of access to facilities, and negative attitudes from peers and coaches. To address these issues, sports organizations and governing bodies must implement policies and practices that promote inclusivity and protect the rights of LGBTQ athletes. This includes creating anti-discrimination policies, providing training for coaches and staff, and ensuring that LGBTQ athletes have access to the same opportunities and resources as their peers. Creating safe and inclusive spaces for LGBTQ athletes is essential for their well-being and success. This includes not only physical spaces such as locker rooms and training facilities, but also creating a culture of respect and acceptance within sports teams and organizations. Allies and advocates within the sports community play a crucial role in creating these safe spaces. Coaches, teammates, and sports administrators must actively promote inclusivity and stand against discrimination. By fostering a supportive environment, they can help LGBTQ athletes feel valued and respected, allowing them to focus on their performance and reach their full potential. Positive role models are essential for inspiring and empowering LGBTQ individuals in sports. The visibility of successful LGBTQ athletes and allies can provide motivation and encouragement for others to pursue their athletic dreams. Sports organizations and media outlets can promote positive role models by highlighting the achievements of LGBTQ athletes and sharing their stories. This visibility helps to challenge stereotypes and shows that LGBTQ individuals can excel in any field. As we look forward to the Paris 2024 Olympics and beyond, it is important to envision a future where sports are truly inclusive and welcoming for everyone. This vision includes not only celebrating the achievements of LGBTQ athletes, but also creating a sports culture that values diversity and promotes equality. Continued advocacy is essential for achieving this vision. LGBTQ athletes and allies must continue to speak out for their rights and work towards creating a more inclusive sports environment. This includes advocating for policy changes, raising awareness about LGBTQ issues, and challenging discriminatory practices. Organizations such as Athlete Ally and You Can Play are already doing important work in this area, promoting LGBTQ inclusion in sports and providing resources and support for athletes and teams. Their efforts, along with those of individual advocates, are helping to create a more inclusive future for sports. Education and awareness are key components of creating an inclusive sports culture. This includes providing training and resources for coaches, staff, and athletes to understand and support LGBTQ individuals. It also involves raising awareness about the importance of diversity and inclusion in sports. Schools and sports programs can play a vital role in this by incorporating LGBTQ inclusivity into their curricula and fostering a culture of respect and acceptance. By educating young athletes and promoting positive values, we can create a new generation of sports leaders who champion inclusivity. Ultimately, creating an inclusive sports culture is about celebrating diversity and recognizing the value that different perspectives and experiences bring to the world of sports. The Olympics, with their global reach and emphasis on unity, provide a powerful platform for this celebration. As we celebrate the Paris 2024 Olympics, let's honor the achievements of all athletes, regardless of their background or identity. Let's recognize the progress made in LGBTQ representation and support, and let's continue to work towards a future where everyone can participate in sports without fear of discrimination. The LGBTQ community's support for the Paris 2024 Olympics is a celebration of inclusivity, diversity, and unity. With the return of Celine Dion and the performance by Lady Gaga, the Games are set to be an unforgettable event filled with joy and inspiration. As we cheer for the athletes and wish luck to every country and their future champions, let's remember that the spirit of the Olympics is about coming together and embracing our shared humanity. So, sweethearts, wherever you are from, let's join hands and celebrate the power of sports and the beauty of being true to ourselves. The Olympics are a time to come together, to cheer for our heroes, and to celebrate the beautiful diversity that makes our world so special. As we look forward to the Paris 2024 Olympics, let's continue to support and uplift each other, spreading love and positivity across the globe.